Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a tax penalty waiver. First, understand why penalties occur, often for not filing or paying on time. Next, assess if your situation meets the criteria for a waiver, such as reasonable cause or administrative relief. The tax authority offers specific guidelines for first-time penalty abatement, which can be a significant help. Knowing these initial steps is crucial for a successful application. Once you've determined your eligibility, the next vital step is gathering all necessary documentation. This includes any official notices you received from the tax authority regarding the penalty. Also, compile any evidence that supports your reasonable cause, such as medical records, natural disaster reports, or other unforeseen circumstances. A clear, concise written statement explaining your situation thoroughly is also essential for a strong application. With your documentation ready, it's time to submit your request. Often, you'll use a specific form, like Form 843, which is the claim for refund and request for abatement. Ensure all sections are accurately completed. Mail your form along with all supporting documents to the address provided in the instructions. For some penalty types, a direct phone call to the tax authority might also be an option. After submitting your waiver request, patience is key. You can typically expect to receive a response from the tax authority within several weeks, though processing times can vary. Be ready to provide any additional information or clarification if they reach out. If your initial request is denied, remember that you have appeal rights. Understanding these steps ensures you're prepared for the outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.